What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Better Biomed. Folks, today I'm going to show you guys how to use a regulated DC power supply to troubleshoot things. And first thing we're going to do is understand what voltage we're supposed to be working with. In this case, this guy is only a 4 volt or 3.7 volt, which is the voltage of the lithium cell, the cell that was defective. So anyway, it's 3.7 volts, let's say 4 volts if-ish. We're going to also go ahead and limit the amount of current, and in order to do that, we clip the gator clips onto each other, and we're going to turn down the current because there's no way this guy should be using that much current. So we're going to set the current for 0.5 amp. We've got our voltage set for 3.74 volts, and now we are technically ready to go ahead and test out this device. Now this is a screwdriver component, so it's inside of my Craftsman screwdriver, which I absolutely loved. And I would like to change out the battery, but the thing is some of these boards here have a little bit of possible corrosion. So I need to test it out to see if it's defective or not. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to recognize the polarity. So we're going to go ahead and clip our leads up, and immediately we're going to look at the amps. I shouldn't have any amps on the device right now, because if I did, if it was maxed out, the half an amp, that would indicate that I have a short on my device right here. So I'm good. At the moment, it's good. And I have an activation button right here. And when I press it, notice how it immediately goes to 0.3 of an amp. So this is a gyro. So you press it, and then when you rotate it, it activates the motor in the direction and the rotation speed that I'm indicating. Oh, this is shooting over an amp, so let's go ahead and turn up our current a little bit. There it goes. And we can see I'm pulling 1.2 amps at 3.7 volts. So we can give it a little bit more current. Okay, and let's go the opposite direction. Okay, so my motor is going really good. Okay, so it's pulling a couple amps at the most. And I just proved that the circuit board, the motor driver, and the motor, they're all working, and it's actually pulling a reasonable amount of current. So now all I got to do is desolder this lead and this lead right here, and then I can solder in my replacement battery, which is this 18650 cell right here. There you go, folks. That is a quick and easy using the regulated DC power supply for troubleshooting. Thanks for watching.